In this video, I'll be taking you through a detailed review of CPAgetti, an affiliate marketing platform that's been gaining attention in the online marketing world. If you're looking to start with affiliate marketing or optimize your current strategy, CPAgetti could be the right platform for you. First, let's talk about the registration process. Signing up is simple. Just fill in your basic details, choose your preferred payment method, and you're in. Once you're in, the first thing you'll notice is the clean, user-friendly dashboard. It's easy to navigate, and all the important features are right at your fingertips. You'll find your stats, offers, and payments information clearly displayed, so you can quickly track your performance. When it comes to offers, CPAgetti really stands out. They provide a wide range of offers to promote across different verticals. Whether you're interested in health, finance, or tech, there's something for everyone. The platform makes it easy to filter and search for the best offers based on your audience, so you can optimize your earnings. In terms of payouts, CPAgetti is transparent about its payment schedules, which is a huge plus. You can choose from various payment options, including PayPal, wire transfer, and others. Another feature worth mentioning is the support. CPAgetti offers 24/7 customer service, so if you ever encounter an issue, help is always available. Whether you need help with an offer or have questions about the platform, their support team is quick to respond. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Be sure to check them out after watching the video for additional tools that can help you with your affiliate marketing journey. Overall, CPAgetti is a solid platform for anyone serious about affiliate marketing. It's beginner-friendly, but also offers advanced tools for experienced marketers. With its wide range of offers, excellent support, and intuitive dashboard, it's definitely worth considering if you want to take your affiliate game to the next level. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips on affiliate marketing.